Okay, I'm gonna just talk about energy in a broad sense here. In physics, in the sciences, we got several kinds of energy that we talk about. But all of them are measured in joules. Sometimes we in particle physics and in electricity and magnetism. Sometimes we measure things in. Oh, and it's cool. My students are so nice to me. It's bribery. No. Anyway, um, the and our electron volts and particle physics type thing, and but everything's measured in joules, a thing called a joule. But before we get started, the human body is such an important part. Well, first let me explain energy. And there's only so much energy in the universe. Okay, energy is conserved. No matter what happens, energy is conserved. Okay, so the energy before an event happens is equal to the energy after an event. Now, the reason I wish we'd get to the coefficient of restitution in this chapter, but we're not going to. I probably should, but I'm not going to. Anyways, but like when I bounce a basketball, if I take a basketball and I drop it and it bounces, it doesn't come back up to the original height. Why? It should come back because the energy before should equal the energy after. But it lost energy when it got smooshed. The deformation of it caused it to lose energy. There's heat given off. There's noise when sound is given off. It gives off energy, and so it doesn't come back to the same height. There's the first type of energy we're going to look at because the human body is such a fantastic. Oh no, my my daughter is texting me. I hope you can't see that up in the corner too long. Anyway, she's obviously not happy with our current administration. The the got off track. But the human body is an amazing thing, and it's got internal heat. Okay, and that's and heat is the energy that flows from higher temperature to lower temperature. So your body contains heat. So if you hold on to an ice cube, the ice cube doesn't make your hand cold. Your hand is actually making the ice cube warmer, and so that it changes. It actually goes through an energy. It goes through a transformation. It changes into water eventually. And then if you just keep holding, if you got that little puddle of water in your hand, it warms up too, type of thing. And so the body has internal energy, and we're going to learn all, and we're going to learn all about that in this next video, where we talk about one of the most intense human endeavors that people do. I mean, there's all kinds of other ones too, but that is the marathon, which it's an intense event, but a lot of people can do it. And so we're going to look at what is it like when an average Joe runs a marathon and what's going on inside the body, and then we'll get into what we mean by mechanical work, which is when we move an object from one place to another. Okay, so there we go. I just wanted to make sure we understood that there's only so much energy in the universe. All the energy, and it's just in different forms. It goes, and there's chemical energy. That's stored in a battery. Then that takes chemical energy and turns it into electrical energy when you plug it in to a machine that's set up so that the voltage is working and you get a current that runs through it, and so that's electrical energy. And you have your own internal energy of the human body, and then all the thermodynamics that takes place when we've got thermal energy when we burn fossil fuels, which gets things to do mechanical work. You take that kind of again, that's taking a chemical energy and converting it into mechanical energy. So energy just takes different forms, but energy, there's only so much energy in the universe. So I wanted to make sure we understood that before we got any further. Okay, out here.